I welcome you all again to this wonderful Wednesday. Let us name this wonderful Wednesday as iSlim Day. Let us name this as iSlim Day. Well, my dear friends, again I want to tell you that I will be talking about some of the new concepts in our products as well as some of the new updates that I want to give you. Along with this, what I would like to tell you is for the first 5 or 6 minutes, I will be speaking about the products. During that time itself, you can start shooting your questions to me. Don't wait till I end the product description. You can start questions to me, raising questions to me right now. From now onwards, please raise questions to me. Once I end my session on the products, I will be able to take down those questions and answer you. And as I previously said, if I am not able to answer some of the questions pertaining to iSlim today, again the next Wednesday will be an iSlim day again. During that Wednesday, we will see that most of the questions are answered. I hope I have cleared my points. So, welcome friends again. I would like to start my session on iSlim flat tummies today. Well, a very good morning to all Vivites. So, the first and the foremost thing again, I would like to emphasize on the COVID-19 lockdown period and obesity. There is a link between these two actually. So, the thing is, there is one important article which has appeared in Forbes. Forbes is actually considered as one of the most, the famous and most popular journals in which the article has come, which states that obese people should quarantine longer. This is very, very important. See, I am trying to tell you some of the promotional tools here for your market promotion. You can in fact tell people that suppose if you are obese or overweight, your chances of affecting with a viral disease is more than a normal individual. And suppose if they are affected with some kind of a common cold or flu, it will take a long time for them to come out of those symptoms. This is a very important thing. And this is a very important article which is published in Forbes, stating the same, that obese people have to be quarantined longer. See, my dear friends, I would like to tell you that Italy is one of the worst affected nations with this COVID-19. And the death rate in Italy is so high. And most of the people in Italy, if you see, are older adults or above the age of 50 probably. And the weight gain and obesity parameters in them are more as compared to any other country, because these are the people who are eating a lot of processed food. It might be your cheese or whatever it is. These are the people who are consuming a lot of such foods, because of which their obesity parameters have increased like anything. Well, a group of Italian doctors in the Forbes journal, this is dated May 11th, 2020. May 11th, 2020. It has appeared in the Forbes magazine, stating that Italian researchers recommends that obese individuals double their isolation time to 28 days. This is very important, because why I am telling you this point is obese people can be more prone to viral infections. See, that is why your USP, your unique selling proposition should be, your promotional strategy should be like this. Whenever you are promoting iSlim flat tummies in future, you have to clearly tell that viral diseases can be, more persistent in India in future. It might be coronavirus, it can be any other virus in the future, we don't know. Well, obese people are more prone to viral diseases. So in order to contain this obesity, in order to curtail this obesity and overweight, please start with iSlim bar, so that you will not be affected with any kind of a viral disease in future. I hope everybody got this point. This is a very important point. Another important article I wanted to emphasize here, this is called as Medscape. Medscape is one of the important medicinal journals where it is clearly told that obesity can shift severe COVID-19 to younger age groups also. This is very important. As we have seen in a country like Italy where older age groups are affected, but we really don't know. In the future, some of the viral affections, even in India, can be more persistent in younger age groups also. Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you one thing. By itself, obesity seems to be a sufficient risk factor to start seeing younger people landing in the hospitals. I hope you got my point clear. Obesity can be a foundation for any kind of a disease in future, so that he or she can land up, in an ICU, in a hospital for various treatments. So we don't have to worry about it, because we have a wonderful product called as iSlim Flat Tummies Bar with us, which can effectively it can counteract the symptoms of overweight and obesity. And as I previously told you, all our Indus Viva products are front-line immune booster products, irrespective of whatever their the benefits or claims are. But on the front line, if you see, they are all immune booster products only. This is what exactly is called as Indus Viva's products. And even iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, for that matter, is a holistic product. It is not only for reducing or maintaining your overweight and obesity, but it has a lot of other effects also, beneficial effects. That is why we call it as a contemporary product. Along with its major effect, it will have other kinds of effects also. This is what is exactly called as holistic and complementary products. Okay, my dear friends, just moving ahead now. Again, one of the important journals which has appeared, it's called as Medical News Today, a very, very recent journal which has appeared. This also talks about latest evidence of obesity and COVID-19. I'll tell you what exactly this is. A summary of the evidence so far suggests that obesity is associated with a higher risk of developing severe symptoms and complications of coronavirus disease, independent of other illnesses. You got my point? Obesity, suppose if any coronavirus patient or any positive patient in this country, for example, if he or she is obese, their recovery rate is very, very low. Now also you just see the graph every day. The news bulletins are coming every day. In India, the cases are increasing, but the recovery rates are very, very low. The recovery rates are very low. It is because India is a capital of diabetes and obesity, and most of them have symptoms of obesity and diabetes, because of which their recovery rates have been affected. So even in future, my dear friends, such things, such viral affections can happen in this country, and definitely whenever a person is devoid of this overweight and obesity symptoms, automatically he or she will develop immunity or resistance against such viral affections, and they will not be prone to such things, and their recovery rates will also improve. I hope you got my point. So this is exactly some of the latest evidences of obesity and COVID-19 is all about. Well, coming back to iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, I would like to emphasize on some of the points. Everybody must know about 5 important elements in iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. The first thing is it is having very low calorie. The second thing is it is having synergistic actives. Synergistic actives in the sense it is a good combination of herbal ingredients, which mainly includes the 3 major ingredients which I will talk about in 1 or 2 minutes. It is a very good weight management substance, which means that it can holistically improve the weight, it can holistically reduce the weight, and it can holistically manage the weight also. This is how you have to describe the weight management into 3 important steps, as either increasing the weight or managing the weight or reducing the weight. These are the 3 important factors. And the 4th point is it is fiber rich. It is rich with fibers, because normally none of us consume fibers in our daily Indian diet. It is very, very less population who do that actually, because most of our vegetables are rich with fibers, and we are not able to eat such vegetables because of the taste problems actually, the palatability issues. And finally, the major point in iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, it is a natural based bar which is actually not containing any kind of preservatives. This is how exactly iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is formulated actually. So the next thing is, regarding the symptoms of overweight and obesity, because I have emphasized on this point in many of my training programs. Please do not think that overweight or obesity is equal to someone looking fat. This is what normally people tell. वो मोटा दिख रहा है, वो मोटी दिख रही है, उसको obesity है. This is not the thing actually. Overweight and obesity is a set of symptoms. It is not someone who is looking fat or thin. Even a very thin person Even a very lean person can have some of the symptoms of overweight and obesity, because of which he or she can develop obesity symptoms or any kind of obesity related issues. I hope my point is clear. Never say that someone is looking fat, he is overweight and obese. No. Symptoms are different. The way of looking is different. This is how you have to see it. And as I've previously told in many of my meetings as well, obesity is a disorder by itself. It is a metabolic disorder in which, suppose if you have to see obesity as such, you have diabetes in it, you have cardiovascular disease in it, you have asthma in it, you have high blood cholesterol in it, you have something like gout in it, you have low back pain, even pregnancy related effects are actually seen in case of the obesity. All these issues are actually seen when a 360-degree view of obesity is seen. Going ahead, my friends, again, iSlim mainly contains 3 important ingredients, which we call it as synergistic actives. Mainly it contains Salacia reticulata, which is an anti-diabetic material. It contains Coleus forscoli, which is a weight reduction material. It contains the third ingredient, which is called as Sesamum indicum, or the sesame, which reduces cholesterol effectively. So going ahead, so along with this, it also contains fibers, which are 100% natural fibers, mainly from oats and ragi. It also contains protein concentrates, mainly the soy protein isolates, as well as this whey protein concentrates. Soy protein is derived from the soybean and whey is derived from the milk. Both of them are effective proteins for effective weight management. It also has herbal extracts, mainly ashwagandha, as well as kapikachu, which is called as Mucuna pruriens, which both of them which reduces the stress during the weight management process. So coming to the some of the major points of iSlim bar, people with diabetes and obesity can also consume iSlim flat tummies bar. This is very important because it does not contain sugars. It does not contain added sugars. People with high blood pressure or even low blood pressure can effectively consume iSlim flat tummies bar. Even pregnant women can consume it, but within 6 months of pregnancy, not more than that. And breastfeeding women can also consume iSlim flat tummies bar, so it does not cause any problem to the infants or the children. And if people with thyroid issues can easily consume this. People with cardiac ailments can also consume iSlim flat tummies bar. People with psychiatric problems as well as skin issues can also safely consume iSlim flat tummies bar. So my dear friends, so these are some of the major highlights that I wanted to give for the iSlim flat tummies bar today. I'll come back with another edition of iSlim flat tummies bar with some of the updated information. And one of the important things I want to tell you here is, we have been doing a lot of scientific validation about our products in the company. Even though the lockdown was going on, from the first day of lockdown also, our clinical trials, our preclinical trials were 100% going ahead. So that is how the products are actually positioned, because all the hospitals and laboratories are running full-fledged, and we have our clinical trials and preclinical trials are running in full flow. And in some of the major hospitals in India, even iSlim flat tummies bar is actually undergoing a clinical trial in one of the prestigious Bangalore Medical College, BMC it is called as, in Bangalore, which is a government institute actually. It is not even a private institute. I know people probably would have spoken about government institutes very badly earlier, but nowadays, my dear friends, after the corona crisis, government institutes have gained a lot of prestige actually, rather the private institutes. That is the reason why conducting a very good trial in a government institutes always gives us very good results. This is how exactly our products are positioned in the market. So this is how wellness products have to be positioned in the market actually. So well, my dear friends, now it is a question answer time. So today my colleague Ms. Sangeeta has jotted down your questions, noted down your questions. So we have made a list of it, so I will be answering it in 1 or 2 minutes right now. So my dear friends, so yeah, the questions are ready. Okay, so yeah, I will be just waiting for the questions actually now. But in the meantime, okay, so we'll start with the questions. Okay, the first question what I am seeing here is, why iSlim expires soon? Someone is asking about the expiry period of iSlim bar. This is very important. So I'll tell you. the expiry period of a natural product like Ice Slim bar, which contains natural fibers, natural proteins and natural herbal ingredients, is normally having a shelf life of 6 months. My dear friends, please go to any kind of a supermarket, suppose if it opens after the lockdown, and see the segment which contains this energy bars. None of the energy bars are having a shelf life of even more than 3 months. We are having a shelf life of 6 months actually. This is very important. This is a very important thing that everyone has to know. And one more thing I am telling you is, probably in near future, as you all might be knowing, that Indus Viva manufacturing has already started. So in the future you will have packaging with manufactured by Indus Viva and marketed by Indus Viva. It will not be manufactured by Olive and marketed by Indus Viva. So in such packaging, I would like to tell you, my friends, the shelf life or the expiry period of Ice Slim Flat Tummies Bar will be extended till 1.5 years, 18 months. This is what the plan is. Well, so my dear friends, I would like to go on to the next question now. So usage of Ice Slim bar for weight loss at the time of fasting. See, this is one good question. What you can do is, the person who has asked this question, okay, during the fasting, can raise a mail to doctor@indusviva.com immediately. After this Facebook live, the person who has asked this question, usage of Ice Slim for weight loss at the time of fasting, please raise this mail to doctor@indusviva.com immediately. We have a protocol which is made for the period of fasting, which we can send you individually. Okay, so this is what we can do, and probably it was also published on our Facebook before, but still we can send you this once we receive your mail actually. The second question what I am seeing here is, can we use Ice Slim for weight gain? Definitely, as I previously told you, there are 3 important points that I told you so far as the weight management was concerned. One is weight loss, one is weight gain, and third is maintaining the weight. All the 3 points can be effectively counteracted with the use of Ice Slim bar. One important thing I want to tell you here, since it is having a bit of protein also, but Ice Slim bar is mainly based on the herbal ingredients, not based on the proteins. But if one has a good proteinaceous diet after consuming the Ice Slim bar, automatically the weight will increase. I'll go on to the third question now. Can we use Ice Slim anytime or only in the night by skipping the dinner? Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you one thing, that Ice Slim is better to be consumed in the night by skipping the dinner. But please have some light diet 1 hour, probably 1 hour before you have the Ice Slim bar. A light dinner before Ice Slim bar, that is 1 hour before it. After that you skip the dinner and you have the Ice Slim bar actually. So if you do this process, automatically the effective weight loss can happen. Okay. So the next question is, if someone is not fatty, so he or she can consume Ice Slim bar with milk. So this is a question that I am seeing actually. Well, my dear friends, please do not mix Ice Slim bar with, I had got some of the complaints before, I would like to tell you this, that people were actually, putting this Ice Slim bar in a mixer grinder, adding milk and sugar, making a milkshake and drinking it. I would strictly not suggest to do such things actually, because dosage forms have to be consumed as dosage forms only. You have to consume iPulse as iPulse only. You have to consume a bar by biting it, masticating it, chewing it, gulping it, swallowing it. So this is what exactly you have to do. So see, what you should do is, you can consume the Ice Slim bar later on. If you really want, half glass of milk can be consumed as it is, but do not mix with this and drink it. So the next thing is, after consuming Ice Slim, we get free motion and it is uncontrollable. Please suggest. See, this is one of the important complaints that most of the times we receive. We are having loose stools. See, one thing that Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar does to everybody who is using it is, it detoxifies your gut. Whenever your gut detoxification happens, automatically the stools become loose. This is one good thing which is happening, but it should be in a controlled phase. What I am trying to tell you here is, consume more and more of warm water after you consume Ice Slim bar in intervals or during the course of the day also. Suppose if you are consuming the Ice Slim bar in the night, but during the course of day, you consume a lot of warm water. Within some days, the loose motions can be reduced. But having some loose stools is always good because the detoxification is happening in the body. All the toxic elements are eliminated out of the body. So, can iSlim be taken by skipping the breakfast? This is one question that I am seeing. Suppose what we normally tell, and as per our scientific validation reports also, it is always better to be consumed it in the night time. But suppose if someone is really having difficulty in doing it, you can consume it in the daytime by skipping the breakfast. Can iSlim be consumed during breastfeeding? This is also another important question. As I have previously told you, for lactating women, iSlim flat tummies bar can be taken actually. But the thing is, first month of childbirth it is better to be avoided because the mother's milk has a lot of colostrum content in it, which is rich with all kinds of nutrition that an infant requires. So we do not want to interfere with the nature during that time. That is the reason why after second month, when the colostrum level reduces in the breast milk, and when the child is able to get the nutrition with the normal breast milk with the less of colostrum, automatically iSlim bar consumption can be started by the breastfeeding women so that no side effects or adverse effects can happen to the infant. So I hope this point is clear. Okay, so coming to the next question, 100 kg weight person, how many iSlim bars should be consumed? So this is also another important question because most of the people are too much, they are overweight to the core actually if you see. So definitely my dear friends, irrespective of the weight is, normally what happens when a person is too much overweight, like above 80 kgs or 90 kgs, you can in fact give them 2 bars in a day. So this is what my answer is. 2 bars can definitely be given, but light food also has to be given because what exactly happens is, when you forego complete carbohydrate diet, completely when you stop carbohydrate diet, the energy consumption in the body is very much, the energy is very much reduced in the body. Energy is also required for people. There is a reason why don't forego complete diet there, at least have some light diet and then you can consume 2 bars. Well, my dear friends, continuing to the next question now. How many days iSlim should be used to get the result? See, I would like to answer this in one important, by giving an example here because everybody of you please log on to our website www.i-slim.in. Please log into this website. In this website we have clearly given the rules and regulations for consuming the iSlim along with the appropriate diet restrictions both for vegetarians and non-vegetarians. This is very important because as per our clinical validation, normally a person has to consume iSlim flat tummies bar at least for a period of 90 days or 3 months coupled with very good diet and lifestyle. Please note this statement, coupled with very good diet and lifestyle, because your diet, your lifestyle is in your own hands. The product itself cannot do the 100% job. You should also support the product in doing its job. I hope I made my point clear. So please go through the website. You will get the diet charts, vegetarian as well as the non-vegetarian, which is actually prepared by our corporate nutritionist, Ms. Asma in our department. So please go through that, follow the diet chart. Automatically you will be able to, lessen your weight or modulate your weight in a very good way. So if a person left iSlim bar after using 4 months, then what is the percentage of getting fat? See, again I am telling you the same thing. Diet and lifestyle is in your own hands. Whenever you stop the iSlim bar also, please try to see that your diet and lifestyle are kept appropriate. Only then you will be able to maintain your weight in a proper way. I hope my point is clear. Well, the next question what I am trying to take here is iSlim effects on gout persons. This is very important. I have told that gout is nothing but the uric acid increase inside the body. Whenever the uric acid increases in the body, the small joints in the body will be inflamed, like your small fingers, your toes and all. So why I am telling you this is obesity is directly related to all these things. Whenever the fat increases inside the body, your uric acid levels increases inside your extremities, especially your fingers and toes. Definitely iSlim bar will help in reducing the bad fat by which the uric acid levels in your extremities, especially your toes and the fingers, will also reduce, by which a person can get rid of his secondary infections. Well, my dear friends, apart from this, Okay. So my dear friends, so now for today we have exhausted the questions actually in the time that we have been given actually. So don't worry about it. As I previously told you, we are in the process of noting down your questions. None of your questions will go waste. Again, the next Wednesday, as I previously told you, is the iSlim day. I will come back again with the new updates on the product, as well as the question answer session will also continue. So my dear friends, so thank you very much for attending the session and gaining the knowledge of our products. As I previously told you in this session, please promote the products appropriate to the current situation and scenario so that more and more repurchases and sales can happen in a very scientifically validated way. I hope I've made my points clear. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Manager, Product Development and Training, signing off from Indus Viva Health Sciences Corporate Office at Bangalore. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.